Good morning, children. Shubhoday. Okay. In the last video, I explained you about the Hindi Divas, what will be held in the Hindi Divas, what we'll do, everything, and about this posture also, and what is there in the posture, and what they are doing. All these I explained in the last video. Am I okay? Did you follow that video? If you didn't follow, once see the video and learn what is given in that. I gave some meanings, some sentences, and I translated the English sentence into Hindi sentence. Okay, ma? So today we are going into the lesson. This is the lesson. We are going into the lesson. Actually, this is which type of lesson I want to tell you. This is Samvad. Samvad. Okay, we'll have types of lessons like conversation lessons. That means the two are more than two people when they talk with each other, that is called conversation. Okay, and some lessons will be there that stories about the things what happened in that about the like animals stories, and some stories will be there, those we call as kahaniya. Okay, some will be there like biography, autobiography and biography. That means व्यक्तिगत कहानियाँ, व्यक्तिगत कहानियाँ. That means they will write about their own story. Like that, different types of lessons will be there. So this lesson is Hindi Divas is Samvad. Which type of lesson is this? Samvad. Which type of lesson is this? Samvad. Okay, ma? Then Samvad means what I said is Samvad or Vartalap also we can say. Vartalap also we can say. Okay. Samvad means what I said. Samvad means a conversation. A conversation between two or more than two persons. Okay. So here we are going to see that only. Between two girls. Here two girls are there, no? Here two girls are there, no? Between these two girls, the conversation will went on. Okay. So first of all, who are these girls and what they are talking about? Everything we'll see in this lesson. Okay. I am reading. Listen carefully when I am reading. The pronunciation of the word you must know. आप सब लोगों को जो भी मैं शब्द पढ़ती हूँ वो आपको अच्छी तरह सुनकर सीखना है. Okay, the pronunciation of the word you must listen carefully and you must learn that word. Okay, ma? Some words you can able to read, but some words will be there that you can't read. Some typical words. Okay, here I am reading. सरिता और रोजी दोनों सहेलियां हैं. सरिता और first of all I'll read some lines. Okay, that why? Because you must know the pronunciation of that sentence words. सरिता और रोजी दोनों सहेलियां हैं, रास्ते में मिलती हैं, बातचीत करती हुई चलती हैं. Okay, then what is here? These two girls are Sarita and Rosie. These two girls are Sarita and Rosie. So these two are talking with each other. ये दोनों लड़कियां एक दूसरे के साथ बात कर रहे हैं. किसके बारे में? कुछ बात कर रहे हैं. That will be given in the lesson. That is given in the lesson. Okay. रास्ते में जाते हुए बात कर रहे हैं. That means they are walking on the road, and then at that time these two girls are talking each other about some topic. What is the topic? We'll see in the conversation. हम संवाद में अब देखेंगे जो वो लोग बात कर रहे हैं. Okay. तो यहाँ पे see names will be given. Rosie and Sarita. Conversation means the persons will have the names and will write the name and the person what he or she spoke, that will be written beside that. Okay. Rosie, क्या बात है Sarita? When question mark, when we are asking question, we should read like this. क्या बात है Sarita? तुम आज बड़ी खुश है. कहाँ से आ रही हो? कहाँ से आ रही हो? So this one is asking Rosie. I'll explain you later. First I am reading the lines. सरिता, अपने विद्यालय से कल एक विशेष कार्यक्रम है, उसी की तैयारी चल रही है। रोजी, अच्छा, तो तुम्हारे स्कूल में भी हिंदी दिवस मनाया जा रहा है? सरिता, हाँ, कल 14 सितंबर है ना, इसीलिए तो मैं तुम्हें बुला रही थी। मुझे भी गीत सिखा दो ना। रोजी, ठीक है, मैं तुम्हें सुनाती हूँ, ध्यान से सुनो और सीख लो। हिंदी सीखो, हिंदी बोलो, हिंदी को अपनाओ। दिस इज द स्लोगन. ओके, दिस इज द स्लोगन टू हिंदी. लर्न हिंदी. हिंदी सीखो, हिंदी बोलो, हिंदी को अपनाओ. All must learn this slogan. Okay, नारा. Slogan in Hindi we say slogan नारा. Okay, all must learn this one. हिंदी सीखो, हिंदी बोलो, हिंदी को अपनाओ. आओ सब मिलकर गाओ, हिंदी दिवस मनाओ. And one more line is added and made it as a small poem. A small 2 lines poem. Okay, हिंदी सीखो, हिंदी बोलो, हिंदी को अपनाओ, हिंदी को अपनाओ. आओ सब मिलकर गाओ, हिंदी दिवस मनाओ. आओ सब मिलकर गाओ, हिंदी दिवस मनाओ. सरिता, हिंदी दिवस 14 सितंबर को ही क्यों मनाते हैं? हिंदी दिवस 14 सितंबर को ही क्यों मनाते हैं? ओके, अप टू हियर आई read the lines, sentences what is given in the book. Now I'm going to explain the topic. Okay ma? Okay, I told you, this is a conversation between 2 girls. 2 लड़कियों के बीच का जो एक संवाद है. उन लड़कियों का नाम क्या है? रोजी, सरिता. लड़कियों का नाम क्या है? रोजी, सरिता. उन लड़कियों के नाम रोजी और सरिता है. ओके, तो रोजी क्या कर रही है, क्या बोल रही है? क्या बात है सरिता? when we ask the question, we should ask like that. क्या बात है सरिता? Not like that. क्या बात है सरिता? We must stop like that. Okay, she is asking, what happened Sarita? What do you want to say? Like that she is asking. क्या बात है सरिता? क्या means what? क्या means क्या means क्या means what? क्या means what? So it's a question tag. You will have question tags in English, no, like that. In Hindi also we have question tags like क्या, कितने, कब, कहाँ, like that we have क्यों. ये सब all these are question tags. Okay ma? क्या बात है सरिता? That means this Rosie is asking Sarita, what do you want to say? What do you want to say? तुम आज बड़ी खुश हो. तुम आज बड़ी खुश हो. You are so happy today. खुश means खुश means happy. तुम बहुत खुश हो. तुम आज बड़ी खुश हो. कहाँ से आ रही हो? From where you are coming? From where you are coming? See, when you meet your friend after a long time, you will also ask like that only, no? From where you are coming, and from why you are so. If she is happy, why you are so happy? If she is sad, why you are so sad? That means you will ask the things related that you want to ask from a long time to her or him. Okay, so here also this girl is asking. यहाँ पे भी ये लड़की पूछ रही है. किसको पूछ रही है? रोजी किसको पूछ रही है? सरिता को पूछ रही है कि तुम क्यों खुश हो, वाई यू आर सो हैप्पी, कहाँ से आ रही हो, कहाँ, आई टोल्ड यू नो so many question tags are there, so in that this is kaha is also a question tag. Kaha means where, from where are you coming, so this girl Rosie is asking, and this Sarita is also so happy, that's why she is asking. See, Sarita, now who is talking, Sarita, and this one is which type of lesson, संवाद. अपने विद्यालय से कल एक विशेष कार्यक्रम है, उसी की तैयारी चल रही है. तो ये कहाँ से आ रही है, अपनी विद्यालय. विद्यालय मीन्स व्हाट, विद्यालय मीन्स स्कूल. Okay, vidyalaya means school. You will also go to school, no? What you will do in the school? What you will do in the school? We'll learn what the teacher explain us. We'll listen to that, and we'll learn the topics given to us. We'll write exams there, and some competitions will be conducted. All those will be happened in the schools, and some encouragement things will be happened in the school. Teachers will encourage you in all the things. All round development will be happened in the school to the student. Okay, so this सरिता बोल रही है कि मैं अपने विद्यालय से कल एक विशेष कार्यक्रम है. तो सरिता बोल रही है कि कल एक विशेष मीन्स इम्पोर्टेंट, विशेष मीन्स इम्पोर्टेंट कार्यक्रम means program. So what is she saying, this girl? One important program is there in our school. From there only I am coming. उसी की तैयारी चल रही है. तैयारी means here in the sense preparations. So if any programs are going to be conducted in the school, we'll do the preparations from 2 or 3 days before onwards only. So here also some important program is going on in Sarita's school. So that he went to the school to do some preparations for what? For the program. Okay. Tayari means here. Tayari. Tayari means preparations. Okay, so you will also do the same thing now. If any program is going to be conducted in your school, means you will go do the preparations from 2 or 3 days before onwards only. Like if a program is going to be conducted, means so many things will be there to do, so that we'll plan the things how to do, and each day what we have to do, everything will plan before and start for the preparations. So here also this Sarita is preparing for what? Preparing for the program which is going to be conducted in her school. उसके स्कूल में जो प्रोग्राम कार्यक्रम होने वाला है उसकी तैयारी वो कर रही है. ओके, नेक्स्ट. तो ये सब कौन बता रही है? सरिता बता रही है. अब कौन? रोजी. अच्छा, तो तुम्हारे स्कूल में भी हिंदी दिवस मनाया जा रहा है. These two girls are that means these two girls are students. So she is asking that तुम्हारे स्कूल में भी हिंदी दिवस मनाया जा रहा है. In your school also they are conducting हिंदी दिवस, हिंदी डे. Okay. Who asked this one? Who asked this one? Rosie. Rosie asked to whom? Rosie ने किसको पूछा है? सरिता को पूछा है. क्या पूछा है? सरिता को क्या पूछा है? तुम्हारे स्कूल में भी हिंदी दिवस मनाया जा रहा है? Yes. She asked, Rosie asked Sarita that are they conducting Hindi Divas in your school also? Manana means celebrate. Manana means what, ma? Manana means celebrate. Manana means celebrate. Are they going to celebrate Hindi Divas in your school also? She asked. That means in her school also they are celebrating Hindi Day. That's why she asked her also. Sarita. See here Sarita is saying answer. Why I am reading the names here means I told you this is संवाद. किस तरह का पाठ है ये? संवाद है. तो इसीलिए उन दोनों का नाम लिखा गया है. These two girls names are given and then what they spoke is also given beside their name. Okay, सरिता बोल रही है, हाँ कल 14 सितंबर है ना, इसीलिए तो मैं तुम्हें बुला रही थी. मुझे भी गीत सिखा दो ना. She is asking. See, I told you, when Hindi Divas is conducted in the schools will conduct some competitions, okay, and not only competitions, so many things will be happen in the school. So here also, they will sing some songs on Hindi language. They'll give some debate on Hindi language, like that. They'll say something on the language, the importance of the language in song, in the way of song, or whatever maybe they wants to present, they will present in that way. Okay. So here this Sarita is also asking Rosie, हाँ कल 14 सितंबर. सितंबर means what? सितंबर meaning September. सितंबर मीनिंग सितंबर. कल 14 सितंबर है. 14 मीन्स हाउ मच? 14. व्हाट इज द नंबर? 14 14 ना है ना, इसीलिए तो मैं तुम्हें बुला रही हूँ. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम कॉलिंग यू आल्सो टू come to our school. We are celebrating. What they are celebrating? Hindi Divas. We are celebrating Hindi Divas. Okay. तुम्हें बुला रही हूँ. बुलाना means here calling. मुझे भी गीत सिखा दो ना. Teach me what she wants to learn. A song. गीत means she wants to learn a song, and she is asking that girl. वो सरिता रोजी को पूछ रही है कि मुझे गाना सिखा दो ना. हिंदी दिवस के दिन मैं गाना चाहती हूँ. You will also ask your friends if any competitions are going on in your school, means you will ask them to help. If your friend is very talented in that, you will ask the friend to help you, to teach you and make you to learn that. Okay, not only singing, some other topics also. Okay, so here also like that, friends will always help you. Am I correct or not? Friends will always help you. दोस्त आपको हमेशा आपकी सहायता करते हैं. यहाँ पे भी क्या हुआ? सरिता रोजी को पूछा है. सरिता asked Rosie that she wants to learn a song. Okay, then what happened? See next. If you ask your friend, means they will help you. Am I correct or not? Here also Rosie helped Sarita to learn a song. रोजी, ठीक है, मैं तुम्हें सुनाती हूँ. Okay, ठीक है means okay. ठीक है means okay. If you want to say okay in Hindi, then you must say this word ठीक है. Okay. मैं तुम्हें सुनाती हूँ. Okay. First I will sing and you listen to that. I'll sing the song, then you listen to that. ध्यान से सुनो और सीख लो. ध्यान से सुनो. Listen carefully. ध्यान means concentrate. Dhyan means concentrate. First concentrate when I am singing. When I am singing, concentrate to the song, on that song, and how I am singing. Listen carefully also. Concentrate and listen carefully. ध्यान से सुनो और सीख लो. सुनो means listen. सुनो means listen. ध्यान से सुनो और सीख लो. See, if you ask your friends to teach you anything, they will also say like that only. No, first listen carefully and then learn it. Not only that, teachers also, if you want to learn anything from the teacher also, if she says anything, you must listen carefully and then you must learn. The teacher will instruct you like that only. No, here also she instructed. उसने भी वैसे ही बोला कि तुम पहले ध्यान से सुनो और ध्यान से सीख लो. सुनो और सीख लो. हिंदी सीखो, हिंदी बोलो, हिंदी को अपनाओ. All must learn these 2 lines. हिंदी सीखो, हिंदी बोलो, हिंदी को अपनाओ. आओ सब मिलकर गाओ, हिंदी दिवस मनाओ. हिंदी सीखो. Learn Hindi. What she is teaching her song. Learn Hindi. Hindi बोलो. Speak in Hindi. Hindi को अपनाओ. Accept this Hindi language. See, some will not care about this language. Okay, some children, not only children, some people doesn't care about the Hindi and Telugu languages. And they won't concentrate on those languages. First of all, we must learn these languages along with the English. English is important. We are not saying that it is important. Hindi and Telugu is also most important to we. Okay, so more important, we must learn. It's our mother tongue and national language. Telugu is our mother tongue and Hindi is our national language. We must respect them. We must give respect to them. We must give respect, but so many are not giving respect nowadays for these languages. Okay, don't do like that. First, if we won't give respect to our mother, then what will happen? Here also happening that only. So first respect our languages, then go through the next other languages to learn. So here also they are saying that only. हिंदी सीखो, हिंदी बोलो, हिंदी को अपनाओ. अपनाओ means accept that language. Accept that language. आओ सब मिलकर गाओ, हिंदी दिवस मनाओ. Come, all of you will sing and in Hindi and will celebrate Hindi Divas. Okay, so the first thing is you must accept. आप सब लोगों को मेरी विनती है कि आप हिंदी हम सीखो. हिंदी ही नहीं, तेलुगु और हिंदी दोनों को सीखना चाहिए. ज़्यादा इंग्लिश मीडियम में पढ़ने वाले बच्चों को the students, those who are studying in English medium, they are not able to write a Telugu Hindi perfectly, correctly. Okay, so you must learn and give respect to the languages. First of all, Hindi and Telugu. Okay, so they are the we must give first priority to them. Okay, so here also the song that Sarita teach the song that to the Rosie is that Hindi सीखो. I am repeating that one again. You all must learn these 2 lines. हिंदी सीखो, हिंदी बोलो, हिंदी को अपनाओ. आओ सब मिलकर गाओ, हिंदी दिवस मनाओ. First you have to learn Hindi, then you should try to speak in Hindi and accept एक्सेप्ट द लैंग्वेज. ओके, अब आओ सब मिलकर गाओ. कम एंड ऑल ऑफ यू कम एंड सिंग दैट. ओके, हिंदी दिवस मनाओ. Then celebrate Hindi Divas. So this Rosie learned that song and she wants to present that song. वो उस song को कहाँ, उस गीत को कहाँ गाना चाहती है? अपनी विद्यालय में गाना चाहती है. Okay, then Sarita, what she is saying, see, हिंदी दिवस 14 सितंबर को ही क्यों मनाते हैं? क्यों 14 सितंबर को ही मनाते हैं हिंदी दिवस? कहीं दूसरे दिन क्यों नहीं मनाते हैं? Why they don't celebrate on other days, only on Hindi, only on September 14th? Why we celebrate? Why? Because Gandhi ji sanctioned it as a Hindi day. On that day only, they gave importance on that day only. Okay, as a national language. Okay, so on 14th September. रोजी, हमारे अध्यापक ने बताया था कि 14 सितंबर 1939 को संविधान में हिंदी भाषा के रूप में अपनाई गई. Then we will also celebrate Hindi Divas on 14 September only. So maybe your teacher also told you about this in the classrooms. That's what she is explaining here. रोजी अभी बोल रही है कि हमारे अध्यापक ने बताया था कि 14 सितंबर 1940 को संविधान में हिंदी राजभाषा के रूप में अपनाई गई. अध्यापक मीन्स हो टीचर. So the teachers only know about this, not the other people. So here अध्यापक means gent teacher. Adhyapak means gent teacher. Okay, so this here the teacher explained in the schools only it will happen, not in offices or some other places. Only in the schools will celebrate Hindi Divas. So the teachers only will explain about this Hindi Divas, why it is celebrated, why on that day only will celebrate. Why? Because संविधान means what? संविधान means constitution. In the constitution, संविधान means संविधान. संविधान means constitution. So in the constitution it is हिंदी भाषा के रूप में अपनाया गया. राजभाषा, it is confirmed as national language. So it is confirmed as a national language. When in the governments they used to type whatever notice they want to send to the other governments, so they have to type this in Hindi only. Then at that time only they confirmed it as Raj Bhasha. Okay, Raj Bhasha. And on which date and which year कब इसे अपनाया गया? ऐसा 1949 को 14 सितंबर 1949 को इसे अपनाया गया. Okay children, I will explain deeply about this topic in the next class. Okay, get ready, and whatever the meanings and all I explained, so go through that. Okay children, thank you.